Are bugs good or bad? Let's talk about it. You probably don't appreciate piles of dirt on your concrete, and you don't like it when ants invade to forage for food crumbs. But did you know ants can be a problem for plants too? Farming aphids for honeydew is a way ants can indirectly damage plants. Aphids use straw-like mouthparts to drink plant juices. This pine aphid is one of the bigger species. It's easier to see its long, thin mouthparts tucked under its body. But not all aphids are cared for by ants. In fact, as you can see here, some get eaten by them. Many ants will attack and kill other insects for food. Keeping other insect populations in check and helping to decompose dead critters are pretty important jobs for ants. This dead earthworm is being broken down by odorous house ants by my front door. Here, a colony of pavement ants moves in from the left, and another colony moves in from the right, to battle over prime territory. These fights help keep their own species population numbers in check. Workers also hunt down and kill queens and males of their own species from competing colonies. Paper wasps are also a little misunderstood. Not only are they helpful decomposers, but did you know they can also pollinate? There are so many kinds of wasps out there that do some amazing things, like this one laying eggs inside aphids. The larvae hatch inside the aphids and eat them from the inside, keeping aphid numbers down. And spider wasps collect and paralyze spiders to feed their young. Ever seen a dirt clump stuck to a wall? Mud dauber wasps supply their young in their nests with spiders too. The larvae stay inside and then turn into a pupa like this one. The pupa then turns into an adult like this one. The blue wasp is a cuckoo wasp. Its mother laid an egg in the mud dauber's nest, and when her egg hatched, it killed the baby mud dauber it was in the nest with, so only the cuckoo wasp emerged. This wasp is a sawfly, some of the very few wasps that actually attack plants. And then there are spiders, the stuff of nightmares, right? Actually, spiders are really good for pest control. And you have to admit, some of them are just cute. This jumping spider has captured a queen pavement ant before she was able to start a new colony. Though pretty much every spider is venomous, very few are medically significant, including these black widow babies. Other insect predators help keep bug populations in check too. Assassin bugs are some of my favorites. They use sharp, pointy, straw-like mouthparts to suck the guts out of other bugs. Ladybugs, on the other hand, chew the bugs they catch. Did you know moths and butterflies chew when they are young and then suck liquids when they are grown up? They can be beneficial pollinators as adults, but as caterpillars, they may be quite destructive to plants. Like you, bugs just want to be left alone, and some will only defend themselves, like this blister beetle, if provoked. This guy can secrete chemicals that can blister your skin. In a nutshell, all bugs are good in one way or another.